waste-to-energy boilers operate in some of the harshest environments in power generation. High temperatures, corrosive flue gases, and aggressive operating conditions constantly attack critical boiler components. IGS first applied HVTS protection at Tammervoima in 2019, protecting the second pass dividing wall from corrosion. After years of operation, inspections confirmed outstanding performance, with no coating failures and no measurable thickness loss. Based on those results, the plant expanded the protection program. For areas exposed to the most severe corrosion and erosion conditions, IGS applied Automated Weld Overlay Protection. Weld Overlay creates a robust metallurgical barrier designed for high wear zones in the first pass of the boiler. In parallel, IGS applied HVTS alloy cladding to additional boiler areas requiring long-term corrosion protection. Using ultrafine alloy particles applied at high velocity, HVTS creates a dense, engineered protective layer that minimizes permeation and protects the underlying material. This project marks the first combined HVTS and weld overlay application at Tammervoima, delivering the right protection strategy for each area of the boiler. One integrated solution, one experienced execution partner. By combining proven technologies with experienced field execution, IGS helps waste-to-energy operators improve reliability, reduce unplanned outages, and extend asset life.